Okay, this is the helmet cam. I'm doing a little trial run here. This is Friday, May 4th. Took a lane to the ship today. Came back and I'm now getting ready to do a ride up to Conway, New Hampshire, about 140 miles. I'll stay there. I'm going to take a little walk around the campground right now. There's a couple of ladies in this little trailer. They've got two little dogs. This is going for a ride. This is a little Class C that the people unplug and drive around. These people came in this afternoon. They're gone in their car now, I guess, for dinner. It's a pleasant evening, not sunny, but it will be a lot better tomorrow which is Saturday and Sunday and Monday for riding. My next project with the webcam is to put it on the helmet, and I'll do that when I get back from my little walk here. I can't, there is no viewing